The big story we're tracking this hour, Barack Obama's visit to Agra on the 27th of January has now been cancelled. Uttar Pradesh government officials have been informally informed Obama was scheduled to visit Taj Mahal in Agra along with his wife Michelle Obama on the 27th of January. The reason for cancellation has not been given yet. Meanwhile, Obama left the Andrews Air Force Base for his highly anticipated trip to India on invitation by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Obama will be accompanied by a sizable delegation that will include several top officials when he arrives in New Delhi on Sunday morning.
प्रदेश सरकार की ओर से और जो भारत सरकार से हमें फोर्स और एनएसजी, स्नाइपर, वो सब की व्यवस्था हो चुकी है और हमारे 3 वरिष्ठ अधिकारी वहां पर कैंप कर रहे हैं जो मुख्यालय से गए हुए हैं, एडीजी सिक्योरिटी, एडीजी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर और इंटेलिजेंस के आईजी। तो पूरी उनकी टीम के साथ काम कर रहे हैं और सारी व्यवस्था है। अभी तक कोई आधिकारिक रूप से हमें कोई सूचना नहीं प्राप्त हुई है, परंतु कुछ इस प्रकार की सूचना मिली है अनौपचारिक तौर से कि माननीय ओबामा जी को सऊदी अरेबिया के जो राष्ट्रपति जी का मृत्यु हुई है उस फ्यूनरल में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, इसलिए उनको जल्दी जाने का। जैसे सूचना प्राप्त हो जाएगी आधिकारिक रूप से आप लोगों को बता देंगे।
किसी देश के प्रमुख और मेहमान कहाँ जाना चाहेंगे और कहाँ नहीं जाना चाहेंगे, उनकी सुरक्षा की जानकारी और जिम्मेवारी, इसको लेकर ये निर्णय स्वयं मेहमान और मेजबान दोनों मिलकर तय करते हैं।
Joining on the broadcast for more updates on this story is Strategic Affairs Editor Gaurav Sawant, who joins me from the newsroom, and Deputy Editor Smita Sharma, who joins us from the National Capital. Smita, when is the official announcement expected on this?
Well, Amita, it will be a short while from now, in fact, because remember, even the official media advisory as far as the president's final itinerary is concerned, it's not out yet, given, of course, security reasons. But we are learning, of course, from official sources, and as was also mentioned by the Uttar Pradesh Principal Secretary, that really security concerns are not the reason that this Agra visit is being called off now. It's essentially because America is rescheduling the president's visit. He has to fly to Saudi Arab on the 27th after that town hall, a kind of a lecture that he delivers in City Fort in Delhi on Tuesday morning. So clearly they are saying that elaborate and adequate security arrangements have been made in Taj, but this is the president's personal decision really to call off this leg of the visit, because remember, he's not calling off or cancelling off any of the official part of the tour. This was supposed to be a pleasure trip to Agra, of course, with the First Lady Michelle Obama. So as of now, we are still awaiting that official confirmation, which should be coming in a couple of hours from now, but expect the White House actually to also come out with an announcement on that, Amita.
Right, Smita, stay on with us. Gaurav, like Smita was saying, it is not got to do anything with the security concern. It's just that President Obama has taken a personal call just to change in his engagements for the day that was slated on the 27th.
Spot on there. Security was in place, and adequate security. Several heads of state and governments in the past have visited the Taj Mahal. India is in a position to provide security. The reason here is President Barack Obama is scheduled to travel to Riyadh. He will be traveling to Saudi Arabia immediately after the 27th morning functions in New Delhi. That is what sources are telling us. As Smita pointed out, we are still to hear officially from either the government of India or from the United States government, but sources saying that the president himself wanted to travel to Saudi Arabia and pay his respects to King Abdullah after he passed away. The king, of course, has been buried, and there is no official mourning in Saudi Arabia, but still it is a gesture from the part of the United States to a very close ally, Saudi Arabia. And from what sources tell us, he would be traveling to Saudi Arabia immediately after the completion of the official leg of his visit, or after the completion of the town hall meeting at City Fort, also the recording of Mann Ki Baat with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. After that, he flies out of India to Saudi Arabia.
Smita, will it affect President Obama's other engagements for the day? On the 27th, he was to address the select audience at the Sri Fort Auditorium. Will that also happen, or will it affect that day as well, that day engagement as well?
No, Amita, not at all, in fact, because that official part of the tour is still on. Though, of course, as far as his lecture in Sirifort is concerned, that is being arranged by the US Embassy, for which, in fact, invitations have been sent out to select, strategic thinkers, to important people. Of course, it's a select crowd. He might take in a few questions there. He was supposed to, in fact, depart for Agra at around 2 o'clock on Tuesday, spend around an hour and a half between 3 to 4:30 in Agra. But that is the only part of the tour which is really sort of cancelled off here, Amita. Remember, because when visiting heads of states come in, a lot of the tour part, in fact, other than the state part of the tour, is sort of tailor-made depending on what the guest really wants. Last time around when the Obamas were here, if they had gone to Mumbai, they had interacted with children of St. Xavier's College. Michelle Obama, in fact, went and even sang and danced with some underprivileged children at an NGO's function. When the Clintons were here in 2000, in fact, they traveled to quite a few cities, including Hyderabad and Jaipur, and they were really a hit with the masses. So in the past also, when American presidents, not other than of course the other heads of state from other countries as well, when they've come in, barring Richard Nixon, who just spent around 22 hours and had that sort of very unpopular chemistry with Mrs. Indira Gandhi at that point in time. So the states that invite these heads of states normally try and keep in mind where they would like to go and mutually adjust those schedules. So here, as of on 25th, 26th, none of the programs stand cancelled. There will be, of course, that the Republic Day celebrations parade that Barack Obama will be witnessing, and a first for an American president to be out in an open ceremony for so long. India is also making, of course, wherever possible, whatever, in fact, adjustments are needed. We might actually, for the first time, see a Republic Day chief guest traveling in his own vehicle, the Beast, for the parade. So, these are things that both sides keep in mind, but this definitely on 27, he's only going to Saudi Arab now to condole the passing away of King Abdullah, where even the Indian Vice President Hamid Ansari today, remember, is going in with the delegation, and India is also observing a day of mourning for him as well.
Deputy Editor Smita Sharma and Editor Gaurav Sawant, thank you very much for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this very big story.